It tastes delicious. Hello friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Disha Luhar and this is the channel of Happiness in Homemade. Well, you had seen me while eating black plum, which is also known as Indian blackberries. Well, today's menu is very delicious and healthy. It is black plum shots. Well, there are enormous of advantages of eating this fruit. Well, it contains a lot of fibers which can boost your immunity power, and it may also function your digestive system, and it is very good for your health. So let's see the ingredient. For making it, you're gonna need black plum, which is unseeded, which I already cut it, and some fresh mint leaves, sugar powder. It is an optional. You may use honey. And then you're gonna need a pink salt, cumin powder, and lemon juice. So let's start making it. This is ready, so let's serve in the glass. So for this, you're gonna need a lemon. Just rub it and pour in the salt. So our glass is ready, so let's add the shots. Garnish with the ta-da! This is ready, and this shots looks very yummy, and this is very healthy to drink, and it have a numerous of advantages. Don't forget that, and please try this recipe at your home, and do not forget to comment and like, and yes, subscribe my channel. Thank you.